Today, we delve into the world of Android flagships, where giants Samsung and Google go head-to-head. The spotlight is on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, renowned for its premium features, and the newly minted Google Pixel 8 Pro, offering a fresh perspective on the Android experience. Join us as we dissect every aspect to determine which flagship claims the crown. Let the battle commence. Design and display. Both contenders showcase a robust build, featuring Gorilla Glass Fuss 2, an aluminum frame, and IP68 dust/water resistance. However, the Galaxy S23 Ultra presents a larger 6.8-inch display, boasting stylus support. In contrast, the Pixel 8 Pro settles with a 6.7-inch display but takes the lead in brightness, maxing out at a remarkable 950 nits compared to the Galaxy's 830 nits. A subtle yet noteworthy distinction. Software experience. Diving into the software realm, the Galaxy employs Samsung's One UI, providing a customized Android experience. On the other hand, the Pixel adheres to the principles of pure stock Android, delivering an unadulterated interface. Google's commitment shines through with a promised 7 years of updates, surpassing Samsung's 5-year pledge for the S23 Ultra. Performance and battery. Underneath the hood, the Pixel 8 Pro boasts Google's Tensor G3 chipset, tailored for AI tasks. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S23 Ultra taps into the powerhouse of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Surprisingly, raw benchmark performance tips the scales in favor of the Galaxy, especially for gaming enthusiasts. However, for the average user, both phones seamlessly handle day-to-day tasks. The battery, a critical component, stands at 5,000 mAh for both. Yet the S23 Ultra emerges victorious with a significantly longer endurance rating of 126 hours compared to the Pixel's 90 hours. Camera comparison. Now the piece de resistance, the cameras. The Galaxy S23 Ultra flexes a 200MP main camera, coupled with versatile telephoto lenses and a 12MP ultra-wide camera. In contrast, the Pixel 8 Pro opts for a 50MP main camera, a 48MP 5x telephoto zoom, and a 48MP ultra-wide camera. The S23 Ultra's camera prowess is further exemplified by a longer 10x telephoto zoom, offering unparalleled versatility. When it comes to image quality, the Galaxy tends to deliver more vibrant colors, while the Pixel leans towards a more subdued, but equally appealing, color palette. Dynamic range impresses on both fronts, but the Pixel edges ahead with superior detail rendition, especially noticeable in the main camera shots. Night photography and video recording. In low-light conditions, both contenders hold their ground with comparable results in automatic night mode. The Galaxy, however, gains an upper hand in sharpness during 2x zoom, creating a slight but appreciable distinction. As we transition to video recording, the Galaxy takes a leap with 8K support, a feature absent in the Pixel. Both phones excel in 4K resolution, showcasing stabilized footage, but the Galaxy's advantage becomes evident at 2x zoom. Selfie cameras and conclusion. Selfie enthusiasts, fear not. The S23 Ultra boasts a 12MP front camera, while the Pixel 8 Pro settles for a 10.5MP front shooter. Both deliver crisp selfies with autofocus capabilities. Wrapping up this extensive comparison, the Galaxy S23 Ultra emerges as the comprehensive package, offering stylus support, a dominant chipset, robust battery life, and swift charging capabilities. Connectivity features like DeX elevate its standing. Conversely, the Pixel 8 Pro shines in providing a clean stock Android experience, fortified by an extended 7-year software support promise from Google. The inclusion of a 5x zoom camera caters to photography enthusiasts. In conclusion, the decision between the Galaxy S23 Ultra and Pixel 8 Pro hinges on personal preferences. Whether you gravitate towards Samsung's feature-rich ecosystem or Google's seamless Android experience, both these Android flagships stand as formidable contenders in the ever-evolving smartphone landscape. Thank you for joining us in this in-depth exploration, and we look forward to your insights and comments. Until next time, stay tuned.